Hey Mark, how's it going?
Hey Anna, I'm doing well, just got back from the gym. How about you?
Oh nice, I've been meaning to start working out again. What kind of exercises do you do?
I usually focus on weightlifting, but I also do some cardio. Today I ran on the treadmill for 30 minutes and then did some strength training.
That sounds intense. I prefer doing yoga or going for long walks. It helps me relax after work.
Yoga is great for flexibility and reducing stress. I should try it sometime. How often do you do it?
I try to practice yoga 3 times a week. It really helps with my posture and energy levels.
That's awesome. Maybe I'll join a class and give it a try.
You should. It's a great way to balance your workout routine.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like to buy some fresh fruit, please. Your stand looks amazing. Everything looks so fresh.
Thank you. We just got a new shipment of fruits this morning. What are you interested in today?
I'm looking for some apples and maybe a few bananas. What kind of apples do you have?
We have Fuji apples, which are sweet and crisp, and Granny Smith apples, which are a bit tart. Both are very fresh.
I think I'll go with the Fuji apples. They sound perfect. How much are they?
They're $3 per pound. How many would you like?
I'll take 2 pounds, please. And could you add a few bananas? How much are they?
Bananas are $1 per pound. How many would you like?
Just 1 pound, please. Also, do you recommend any other fruits that are in season?
Certainly. The strawberries are very sweet this season, and the oranges are also popular right now.
That sounds great. I'll add a half pound of strawberries, please.
Of course. So that's 2 pounds of Fuji apples, 1 pound of bananas, and half a pound of strawberries. Will that be all?
Yes, thank you. How much is everything?
Let's see. That comes to $9.50.
Perfect. Here's $10.
Thank you. Here's your change, and I've packed everything carefully for you.
I appreciate it. Thank you for your help and the recommendations.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your fruit and have a wonderful day.
You too. Thank you again.
Hi, you must be Alex. It's so nice to finally meet you.
Hi, Emma. Yes, it's great to meet you too. I've heard so much about you from Sarah.
All good things, I hope.
Absolutely. She mentioned that you're really into hiking and the outdoors.
That's true. I try to go hiking as often as I can. Do you enjoy hiking too?
Yes, I do. I haven't been in a while though. I'd love to get back into it.
Maybe we could plan a hike together sometime. Do you live nearby?
I'm about 20 minutes away actually. I work close by though. What about you?
I live just a few blocks from here. I love the neighborhood. It's so lively and convenient.
Lucky you. It's a great area. So, what do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer. I work mostly on branding projects for small businesses. How about you?
I'm in marketing, focusing on social media campaigns. It's always changing, so it keeps me on my toes.
That's really cool. It sounds like our fields overlap a bit.
Yes, they do. We might even be able to share some tips and ideas.
I'd love that. Well, I'm glad we finally met. Let's stay in touch.
Absolutely. I'll message you about that hike.
Perfect. Looking forward to it. Take care, Alex.
You too, Emma. See you soon.
Hi, James. Do you have a moment? I wanted to ask you about something.
Sure, Maya. What's on your mind?
I've been in the US for a few months, but I'm unsure about some social customs. Could you give me some tips?
Of course. Saying please and thank you is very important. It's a small gesture, but it shows politeness.
Oh, I've noticed that. People here say thank you for almost everything.
Exactly. Also, Americans value personal space. Usually people keep about an arm's length distance during conversations.
That's good to know. In my culture, we stand closer.
It's different here. Also, punctuality is important. Try to be on time or arrive 5 minutes early for work or events.
Got it. And tipping? I always find it confusing.
Tipping is big here. At restaurants, tip 15 to 20% of the bill, and for taxis, about 10 to 15%.
Thanks for explaining. Anything else?
Avoid asking personal questions like age or salary unless you know the person well.
That's helpful. I'll keep that in mind.
You're doing great, Maya. Let me know if you have more questions.